All right, y'all. I just had to hop on here real quick. So apparently Digitimes just put out an article saying that the MacBook Pros are going to be delayed yet again until later in the fall. Now, I know there have been shortages of chips and stuff. By the way, hit the subscribe button, click the bell. Easy Grain Geek Show. We cover your 15 video good. Anyway, so yeah, I know there's been, chip shortages and things like that. But once again, Apple has to set a precedent. Like, they're the biggest company in the world. Every chip manufacturer would, put everything else on hold to make sure Apple products are done. And I'm not just saying this because I like Apple products, but literally Apple products kind of run the industry, and it's a good thing for the entire tech community when Apple iPhones come out, when Apple's able to innovate and make new products. And so, hearing that once again, these devices are going to be delayed, and I know the rollout is going to be trash. Just like the iPad Pro was earlier this year. We're going to find out about it eventually. I'm actually glad they're pushing back the announcement if it means production is actually going to be closer to the time that they announce it. Because like with the iPad Pro, they announced the thing, and then we didn't see it for a month, longer than that. People, it wasn't showing up on people's doorsteps until much later. So it's disappointing. I know everybody's itching to upgrade. I've been itching to upgrade. I can't wait to get my hands on that M1x Mac Mini. Let me know in the comments down below what devices you're excited to get or what you would want to get. But yeah, to hear that they're coming out later this fall, according to Digitimes, I'll put the link to the article down in the description. It's disappointing because they're not even giving us like October, maybe. They're just saying later this fall. So whatever that means. We may not get them till November. Remember, the Mac Mini, the M1 Mac Mini didn't come out until very late last year. It was either November or December. So maybe they're pushing all the Macs back to a November date, and they'll release the iPhone in September. That's what it's sounding like. Nobody wants to wait that long, but we'll have to just wait and see. So, read the whole article. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Guys, get subbed up. It's Tech-tember. We finally made it, even though no MacBook Pros in Tech-tember is a huge disappointment, but we'll see what happens. So guys, subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss. Okay, I'm going to be trying to get my hands on the new iPhone, etc. So lots of great stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching as we cover your favorite tech and video games. I'm Chris Grant Jr. It's the Grant Geek Show.